Hello, this is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, a part of Redbud Realty and Associates. I want to do a market update today. I am a part of the Kansas City Federal Reserve Beige Book survey. Constantly, they're asking me for updates on real estate in Oklahoma, so it's part of national reporting. So I've been in the process of doing that today, and I have some observations I'd like to share with you about Oklahoma City homes for sale and what our inventory level is. Now, first of all, on that inventory level, it seems to keep shrinking. We have more expired properties, in other words, properties that didn't sell, that haven't been put on the market. Pending sales have been extremely good. Closed sales have been extremely good. And so right now, the question is, well, does that mean we have an incredibly vibrant market? Is it something where the market is so hot that everything is selling? And my answer to you is no, mainly because I work with buyers just like I work with listings or short sales or investors. And so I'm looking constantly on the MLS system, our listing system, to find out what's there. What I'm finding at this point are if homes are priced properly, there's a buyer for it right now. Even though we're in September, even though school started in August and normally things are supposed to slow down, and they do a little bit in September, houses are selling if they're priced right. Homes that are staying on the market for 4 months or more, well, it's very simple. There can only be a couple of things that are involved. First of all, the law of substitution. The law of substitution says if you can find a better house at a lesser price or the same house at a lesser price, location, everything else being the same, you buy it, and that's what's happening. The second thing is some people are just not understanding how to price a house or how to reduce the price when you're getting feedback saying, look, the price is just too high. We bought something else. It should be something obvious to you, and I think that's why houses are expiring, is because price just doesn't meet the market. You've got to have a buyer in order to make that price right. An appraiser just comes in after the fact to say whether it's worth it to the lender to give you the money if you're a buyer. And other than that, a buyer and seller have got to agree on the price. So I'm seeing houses on the market for 4 months, 6 months, a year. And in a lot of cases, I'm seeing that the prices are not coming down like they should. Or when I've gone to show the houses, it's like, okay, you haven't updated this house in 20 or 30 years, and what you're trying to do is price it as if somebody put $40,000 into it, like the house that did sell in that neighborhood over the course of that 20 or 30 years. And so we're finding that's the case. Or, of course, if we back up to a busy street, if we have high power lines running across the property, there's not a whole lot you can do about that other than to adjust the price for the fact that it's not going to be desirable. So if you're a buyer in the Oklahoma City market, if you're looking for homes for sale, I want you to know that I want to put my 23 years experience behind you. I want to put my experience as going through appraisal school, not because I wanted to appraise, but just because I wanted to be able to value houses better. And to let you know that I'm not just after to make a sale with you. I have a current client that's a luxury client. Obviously, you know those commissions are higher because the price is higher. We've looked at about 15 to 20 homes. We haven't bought anything. Why? Because of what I just talked about. If the price is not right, then you should not buy it. We should not even get to the point where we put money into an appraisal to prove that the price was wrong in the first place. So if you need help, call me or email me at joe@joepryor.com. Be glad to help you. That's what's going on in Oklahoma City right now. Expect another update in about 2 to 4 weeks. This is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, where we deliver traditional real estate values at the speed of technology.